Dear students, we are in Eamcet mathematics and we are in definite integrals. Okay. In this class, we are going to solve question number 25 to 28. Okay, 4 questions. Let us see what they have given. This question is asked in Eamcet 2002. Integral minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 sine to the power of 4x cos to the power of 6x dx. You see, this type of questions we have done. Which type? Sine to the power of mx cos to the power of nx dx. But carefully observe, this should be from 0 to pi by 2. Sine and cos. Okay? 0 to pi by 2 sine m cos m should be there. But if you compare this here, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is there, not from 0 to pi by 2. That is one. Okay? See, now the difference is this is should be 0 to pi by 2, then formula is there. If both are even, I will write afterwards. Okay? But now minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 is there. That means see minus a to a, if function is even, 2 times of that function is odd, then 0. Let us see whether it comes 0 or not. Okay? Okay, see, now what I am doing, I am putting implies, let f of x is equal to sine to the power of 4x cos to the power of 6x. Okay? This is the case. Then what about f of minus x? Sine of minus x whole to the power of 4 cos of minus x whole to the power of 6. See, sine of minus x means minus sine x will come, but afterwards you see here to the power of 4 is the even power. Even power means this is going to give finally sine to the power of 4x only. Cos of minus x itself is cos x. Okay, f of minus x is also has come f of x. Okay, now what we have to do? See what I am writing. Equal to 0 to pi by 2, 2 times of this one. Sine to the power of 4x cos to the power of 6x dx. Understand? 2 times 0 to pi by 2. Now 0, forget about 2. 0 to pi by 2 sine power mx sine power cos power nx means what we are going to do? The formula. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine to the power of mx cos to the power of nx dx. And also see 4 and 6 both are even. Even means what will be the formula? Formula will be like this, you see. Okay? N by m plus m into n minus 1 by m plus n minus 2 into n minus 3 by m plus n minus 4, like that it will go. Okay? That is what. This goes up to where? 1 by m plus 2. Over? No, still is there. Now come for this n over, now m. M minus 1 by m. M minus 3 by m minus 2. See, all minus 1 minus 2, minus 2 minus 2. N minus 1, n minus 3, n minus, I think we will stop here only. Okay? You see what I am writing. N minus 1. We have to start from n minus 1. Okay? N minus 1 by m plus n, n minus 3 by m plus n minus 2, like that it will go up to 1 by m plus 2 into numerator n, but denominator left m by m minus 1 by m, m minus 3 by m minus 2. This goes up to 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Okay? This is the formula. This is there for this one, then 2 is up there already. Okay, then we write down that is equal to 2 times of n minus 1. See, n is here 6. 6 minus 1 means 5. 5 by m plus n, 4 plus 6, 2. Sorry, 4 plus 6, 10 into n minus 3. See 6 minus 3. 3 by 8. 1 by 6. Why? Because see minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 2. Okay? M minus 1 by m, sorry, 1 by m plus 2 has reached 1 by m plus 2. M is your 4 plus 2, 6 reached. Okay? That is why this you should not take again. Into, now go for this. M minus 1 by m. M is 4 here. 4 minus 1. 3 by 4 into 1 by 2. So because minus 2 minus 2. But when it comes 1 by 2, again you don't take 1 by 2. Why? Because this should be go up to 1 by 2 only. That's all. Then you go for pi by 2. That's all. Okay? Inside any cancellations are there? No. Okay, we do one thing. See 2 into 15 into 3, 45 pi. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 45 into 2, 90. Okay, let it be. But you see here also, 8 2s are 16. Okay, 80 into 24 into 4. Okay, now you make some cancellation. Okay, 5 9s, 5 1s, 5 6. Okay, 2 1s, 2 8s. Okay, 3 8s, 3 3s. Okay, see numerator is only 3 5, but denominator 64 into 4. 3 pi by 4 4s are 16, 4 6s are 24, 24 plus 1 25, 256. 3 pi by 256. Okay, this is answer for this question. Let us go for next question. Okay, let us see question number 26. Answer 2011 question. If in is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan to the power of n theta d theta, then for n is equal to 1 2 3 and then they are asking what is the value of I n minus 1 plus I n plus 1 is equal to how much, like. Okay, see one formula, you note down this formula I am writing here. Okay, see standard formula, if in is equal to, if you write it, if in is equal to integral 0 to pi by 4. Please remember, for tan and cot 0 to pi by 4, this formula will come. For sin and cos 0 to pi by 2. Why? Because period divided by 4. Okay, that I already explained you. Tan to the power of nx dx is equal to in. If in is equal to this thing, then what is the formula? You see, observe carefully. In plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. Understand? In plus in minus 2 is equal to 1 by n minus 1. Okay, now what I am doing, in place of n I am going to put n plus 1. Okay, I n plus 1 plus I n plus 1 minus 2 is equal to 1 by n plus 1 minus 1. Understand the logic? Okay, this is going to happen what? I n plus 1 same plus n plus 1 minus 1 I n minus 1 is equal to 1 by plus 1 minus 1 going to get cancelled out, 1 by n. Is this they asked, you see? N minus 1, n plus 1, n minus 1, n plus 1. But in between plus, you can write a plus b or b plus c. Okay? The answer will be 1 by n. But this you should know. If in is equal to 0 to pi by 4 tan power n h dx, then only this will come. Because of this is going to come. Okay? Let us go for next question. Okay, see question number 27, Eamcet 2018 question. This is a logical question. Okay? We did not do this integration, but the logic you have to apply here. Based on the answer you have to go, options, what they have given, based on options. Why? Because this is not a, what we can say, conventional type of exam. This is Eamcet exam, competition exam. Okay, see, if f of x is equal to 1 to x integral dt by 2 plus t to the power of 4, then what about f of 2? F of x, f of 2. Wherever x is there, there 2 will come. See how I am writing. That means, see, f of 2 is equivalent to 1 to 2 dt by 2 plus t to the power of 4. That's all. Why? Because see here you don't have x, t, but here only x you are having. Okay? This is the logic. Now you tell me in place of t you are going to apply 2 and 1. Okay? See, implies I am keeping how we are proceeding to the answers. How we are reaching answer you observe this. Why? Because we are not doing this integration. Tan inverse of t by root 2 will come, but that we are not doing. That is why you have to observe the answer. Okay, see, t value will be 1 to 2. Is it correct or not? You tell me. Why? Because see, you are going to apply this limit to t area only. 1 to 2 t. 1 to 2 only. Okay? 1 to 2 only you are going to apply t value. Okay. Is it correct? 1 is lower limit, 2 is upper limit. Okay, that is also correct. Now what I am doing, you see, I will make exponential of 4 or 4 times I will do. Squaring means 2 times 2 power 2. Again, that means 4 times. Okay, see, t to the power of 4. 1 to the power of 4 is 1 only. 2 to the power of 4 is 16. Okay? Again I will add 2. Why? Because 2 plus t to the power of 4. Write down. 2 plus t to the power of 4. T to the power of 4. Again 2 you have to add. Again if you to add 2 means 1 plus 2 is 3. 16 plus 2 is 18. Now I will reciprocate. Why? Because see, 1 by denominator, this is not in numerator like here. Denominator 1 by. Then we reciprocate. One by 3, 1 by 18 only will come. But you see, when you reciprocate automatically, these symbols are going to change. Why? Because you see here 2, 4 like this is there. 4 is greater than 2. That is why x is in between 2 and 4 means like this you have to. X is greater than 2 and less than 4. If you reciprocate, 1 by x is greater than 1 by 4 and less than 1 by 2. Why? Because 1 by 2 is greater than 1 by 4. 4 is greater than 2. Okay, because if you reciprocate automatically, these values are going to be reversible. Same thing happened here also, you see. Okay, once again I will write. Then how to write this? You have to write like this. You see, 1 by 2 plus t to the power of 4, 1 by 18 to 1 by 3. Why? Because 1 by 3 is greater than 1 by 18. Okay, this also shall I write like this, f of 2, 1 by 18 to 1 by 3. What is the answer here? A. F of 2 is greater than 1 by 18 and less than 1 by 3. This is the answer. Okay. This is a logical question. Inequality question. Let us go for next question. Okay. Let us see question number 28. Eamcet 2008 question. Integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 3 by 2 square root of 1 minus x dx. So by seeing this, normally we don't know what to be taken for x and all. But normally what we do, 1 minus sin square x or 1 minus cos square x means sin square x or cos square x will come under root, then it will come out as a sin x, sin theta or cos theta like we will take. Here what I will take as x sin square x, sin square theta, sorry, not x, sin square theta. You see, let x will be sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta. Cos square theta under root cos theta. Cos theta will come outside. Okay, like that we have taken. But what about dx? 2 sin theta, cos theta, d theta. Why? Because see, d by dx of x is 1 here this side. D by dx of sin square theta means 2 sin theta first. Then again d by dx of sin theta is cos theta. D theta will come from here. Okay? Okay. dx by d theta, then we will send that d theta by dx. dx we will set that side. Okay, dx will be that one. Okay, now see, in case of x we are going to write sin square x, and in case of dx we are going to write 2 sin theta cos theta. But what about limits? Limits are important. Okay, okay, see what I am doing. X is equal to sin square theta means theta is equal to sin inverse root x. Why? Because see, sin square theta is equal to x means sin theta is equal to root x first. Theta is equal to sin inverse of root x. Okay, see, at x is equal to 0, theta is equal to 0. Sin inverse of 0, 0 only. Okay. At x is equal to 1, theta is equal to 1. 1 means root 1. Root 1 means 1 only. Sin inverse 1, pi by 2. Okay? Okay. Now you rewrite this. I is equal to integral 0 s 0 1 no pi by 2. Okay? Now write down x power 3 by 2. This is also, you see, x power 3 by 2 means sin square theta whole power 3 by 2. Sin square whole power 3 by 2. These two will get cancelled. Sin cube theta will come. Okay? Write down. Sin cube theta, and this one 1 minus sin square theta. Okay? Dx means 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. Okay? Okay. Now see 2 you take outside. Two I have taken outside. Sin cube theta cos square under root cos theta. Or else sin cube sin to the power of 4 theta. This and this 2 I have taken out. See cos theta, here also cos theta will come. Why? Because cos square theta under root cos theta. Cos and cos square theta. This formula you know, except 2, 0 to pi by 2, sin to the power of m, sin to the power of n. Once again I will write integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power of mx cos to the power of nx is equal to dx is equal to, see, both are even. Both are even means, you see, n minus 1 by m plus n up to 1 by m plus 2 into m minus 1 by m up to 1 by 2 into pi by 2. Okay? Minus 2 we have to do. We will do it. We are not writing much. Okay? Now see 2 is also there. Write down 2 also. 2 times of n minus 1. 2 minus 1. 1 by m plus n. 4 plus 2. 6. That's all. N minus 1 means 2 minus 1. Afterwards it will not go much. Okay? 1 by m plus 2 already reached. Why? Because 4 plus 2 is 6. 1 by m plus 2 also has come last time. Now go for m minus 1 by m. 4 minus 1. 3 by m. 4. 3 by 4. 1 by 2 also will come. Why? Because minus 2 minus 2. Okay. 1 by 2 also reached. Then you go for directly pi by 2. Okay? Right now. See 6 pi by 24 into 4. 24 into 4. 1's 4's. Pi by 16. Okay? Now we do one thing. We will stop this class. We will continue the next class for another 4 questions. Okay? Thank you very much.